Cold in-place recycling is a pavement rehabilitation method where the top 3 to 5 inches of the pavement are pulverized, remixed with new liquid asphalt. That material is then laid with the paver and compacted. So it takes a pavement that's structurally sound and rehabilitates the top few inches of it. Dunn Company has been a paving contractor since 1939. One of our core values is partnership, and when we have colleagues in the industry who have a need, we look to partner with them and look to understand their needs and design a customized solution for them.
Without a doubt anymore, any of the asphalt pavements, for the most part, we're looking at, if it's been out there for an extended period of time, we're talking 25, 30 years without any major work, and we know it's got an asphaltic type base in it, it's automatically going to be a candidate for CIR. It's kind of become our de facto standard when we're looking at our resurfacing projects. If I've got a base that good underneath a 3.5 inch hot mix overlay, yeah, we ought to get 20 to 25 years out of that easily, I would think. A lot of farm to market roads, a lot of agricultural products that roll down these roads. We're really catering to them and giving them a road that can actually handle their loads as opposed to the roads that they've been dealing with all these last, decades.
It is certainly environmentally responsible. You're really conserving raw materials. You're burning less fuel to haul materials back and forth. The speed of construction is greater. You enhance the quality of the pavement. In fact, many times the resulting road that's been recycled is superior to the initial construction. And then last but not least, you get a great ride, which the motoring public certainly appreciates.